Happy new month, guys. Welcome to the month of November. Welcome to the month of opportunities. Welcome to the month of blessings. Welcome to the month of breakthrough. Welcome to the month of new beginnings. Welcome to the month of Orishirishi blessings. I know Orishirishi actually means different kinds of beautiful blessings. Okay, so welcome back to the channel, and today this is not the video I actually intended on uploading, but this is the pre-video just to wish you guys a happy new month. So today I'll be sharing with us how I made this beautiful bubu gown. Yeah, bubu gown. So if this is something you would love to know how to make, this is an impromptu gown. So if this is something you would love to make, keep watching, don't go away. Okay, so if you're here and you're here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. Turn on the post notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So don't go away. See you. Welcome back, guys. So the first thing I did was fold my fabric into two, like how I'm showing you right now. So I folded it into two. Yeah, so and then I'm going to fold it again. So here I already folded the fabric into four, and then I have the length that I'm going to be working with already. So the first thing I did was take my shoulder measurements. That's your shoulder divided by 2, and then the neck measurement. So for the neck, I'm going to be using 4 inches by 4 inches because this dress doesn't have a zipper at the back, and then you won't want to be struggling with putting on your dress. So yeah, so I'm using 4 by 4, and then I'm just trying to print it out very well. And then I went ahead and measured my shoulder slope. I came down by 1 inches, and then I measure out my shoulder measurements. So my normal shoulder measurement is 7.5, so I added 0.5 to make it free at the shoulder part, at the armhole part, I mean. So that's what happened there. Since this is a free dress, you would want everything to be, free. So I came in, I divided that by 2, and then I came in by 0.5. So I went ahead and connected it to the shoulder slope, and then I measure out my bust measurement. So for the bust, I added 2 inches for ease. Like I told you, this is a free gown. So so that's just what I did, and then I went ahead and measure out the waist measurement. Yeah, and that's what I have there. And so for the waist measurement, I went ahead and divided my hips into 2. Instead of 4, I divided my hips into 2. And then whatever I got, I added 3 inches. So that's 23 inches on the waist part. Since this is a kind of a wrap dress, that's why I'm doing it like that. So I'm just connecting it to the armhole. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure out the 23 all through to the bottom part of the dress. So that's what I'm doing, and after that I'm just going to cut it out. Yeah. So one more thing I want to add before cutting it out, I would you might want to add a sewing allowance at the armhole, because by the time I was done with mine, it wasn't so free like that. But to make it more free, I would say you should make sure to add a sewing allowance at the armhole part. Yeah, so this is what I have the front and I have the back, and then I'm going to go to the machine and join it on the shoulder and by the side. I'm also going to cut out a piece that I'll be using as the belt. I'll be joining that at the waist part of the dress. Yeah, so that is that. And then for the neck, I'm not sure if I will be using a bias or I'm just going to pipe it in, but at the end of the day, I just went ahead and used the fabric to pipe it in. So now the next thing I did was measure out the sleeve of my dress. This is a long sleeve, so my normal sleeve is 22, and then I had 5 to 8, which makes it 27. So it's going to be having something like a puff at the wrist part of the sleeve. So this is just me drafting the armhole part of the sleeve. And then, I used 8 for my shoulder, so I'll be working with the 8 inches here. And then I came down by 4 inches. Then I measured out the 8, and then whatever I had, I divided it by 2, and then just like that, I did out the armhole. Yeah, so I didn't give it any shape, so I just measure out the 10 inches that I have all the way. I measured in 8 inches, and I added 2 inches for the allowance, if that makes sense. So this is me just cutting it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and notch it, so I know this is the middle part of the sleeve, and this is the elastic that I will be working with. I have a video of this kind of sleeve in one of my videos, so if you want to learn more about how to make that sleeve, I would say you should watch the video, because this is just a short video that I want you guys to see. So this is the finished product of the dress. I have the sleeve already, and I already attached my belt, and everything looks good here. Yeah, so let me know if this video was helpful. If you like this outfit, just let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Bye.